Hello everyone, are you looking for the way to learn English? This is a large place that you can learn English and be able to speak the English that you learn. Niba ukeneye kwiga Icyongereza, aha niho hantu hanyaho wakigira Icyongereza and then ukabashobora no kuvuga icyo Cyongereza wiga. This is large place, and if it's your first time to be on this channel, I'm asking you to subscribe. Niba ari bwa mbere wagira kuri iyi channel, ndikugusaba ngo ukore subscribe so that you will get notified whenever we upload a new lesson, kugira ngo ujye ubimenyeshwa igihe cyose twashyizeho isomo rishya. Today we are going to learn for. Tugiye kwiga ijambo for. English is so easy. Rwose Icyongereza kiroroshye. But then it can be challenging sometimes. Ariko rimwe na rimwe gishobora kuba cyagorana because one word can be used in different ways. Bitewe nuko ijambo rimwe riba ryakoreshwa mu buryo bugiye butandukanye. But once you have learned these tricks, ariko umaze kumenya ibi bigenda bigorana, English becomes here for you, and we are here for you. Ndetse nanone turi hano ku bwawe so that you learn these tricks and be able to speak English. Kugira ngo wige aya matrike nyine ubashe no kuvuga Icyongereza. As I've told you, we are going to learn from. But before we start, I want to tell you that if you need extra English courses, ukeneye andi masomo y'Icyongereza, don't hesitate to contact us on 07802931112. Rwose ntutinde na gato kuba waduhamagara kuri 080-29-312. That's my number, Teacher Bonaji. So let's start the lesson of today. Reka turebe cyangwa se dutangire isomo ry'uyu munsi. The lesson of today is for. For niyo tugiye kwiga. For ubundi it's a preposition. Ni preposition bivuze ngo it's like on, under, in ndetse n'izindi. Imeze nkazo. Ubundi preposition tuyikoresha. Prepositions cyangwa se indangahantu tuzikoresha tugaragaza ngo gute, what cyangwa se zigaragaza ngo niki, when cyangwa se n'iryari, cyangwa nanone why, kuki. Icyo nicyo prepositions ziba zigaragaza. Ndetse zigaragaza n'ibindi. I really want to keep mentioning them. Ntabwo byari ngombwa kugira ngo nkomeze mbe nabigaragaza. First, we are going to see where do we use for. For, ku buryo bwa mbere tuyikoresha tugaragaza purpose of something. Use or purpose of something. Tugaragaza ngicyo kintu gikora iki cyangwa se kigamije iki. That is where we use for the first. Ahambere naho tuyikoresha tugaragaza ikintu kigamije iki cyangwa se gikoreshwa iki. Ahambere urugero rwa mbere twavuga ngo what's this jug for? What's this jug for? Bisobanura ngo iyi jage ni iyiki. What's this jug for? Ni ukuvuga ngo ndi kubaza purpose of the jug. Icyo iyo jage yibuze gukoreshwa. That is use of a jug. Cyangwa se purpose of a jug. What's this jug for? Ijage ni iki? Igisubizo cyaba it's for milk. Ndi kugaragaza ngiyo jage ni ya mata. Cyangwa se ikoreshwa mu mata. Cyangwa niyo twifashisha turi kuboganiza amata. It's for milk. What's this jug for? Reka turebe urundi rugero. Urugero rwa kabiri hano dushobora kuba twavuga ngo what's this phone for? bivuze ngo iyi telefone ni iki? What's this phone for? Ugasubiza, it's for calling. Niyo guhamagara, it's for calling. Okay? You can even try to make your own examples. Nawe ushobora kugerageza gukora ingero zawe. But I'm going to give you another example. Ngiye kuguha n'urundi rugero. Another example is, what's this for? Biravuze ngo iki ni cyo gukoresha iki? What's this for? Example, I can say, this is for cooking. This is for cooking. Bivuze ngo iki ni cyo gutekesha. Okay, enough for the first use of for. Birahagije uko dukoresha for, ubwo nibwo buryo mwangiro. You can even try to make your own examples as I've told you. Wagerageza gukora interuro zawe nkuko nabikubwiye. Next one is, it is used to ask. Tuyikoresha turi kubaza, or tell cyangwa se turi kubwira about the person receiving something. Turi kubwira umuntu ngo uri buze kwakira iki kintu ninde. Okay? Turi kubaza ngo ninde uri buze kwakira iki kintu, cyangwa se turi kubwira umuntu ngo uri buze kwakira iki kintu n'uyu. That is where we use from. Ubwo na hakabiri. Okay? Example, urugero twavuga ngo, who's this present for? Who's this present for? Who's this present for? Biravuze ngo iyi mpano ni yande. Who's this present for? Iyi who's, uribuka hari n'indi jambo yitwa who's. Iyi ni who nkongeraho is. Noneho is nayihina. Okay? You see here, is iyo nayihinnye dukoresha s gusa, twashizeho apostrophe. Ibi rero abantu benshi bakunda kubyitiranya kuko ubundi bivugika kimwe. Who's meze gutya. Iyi who's cyangwa ngo nyigusobanurire umenye ngo itandukaniye he n'iyi who's. Iyo yindi ni who is nahinye. Iyo nahinye iyi ivamo tugashiramo apostrophe ikaba who's, ariko zose tuzisoma who's. Ubwo iba yahindutse who's like this, but harimo apostrophe who's. Iyi ni rero tubisoma kimwe ariko biratandukanye mu mivugirwe ni kimwe. Iyi who's ibaza nyiri ikintu, iyi who's niyo who is. Okay? Urugero ndi gukoresha iyi who's, navuga ngo whose marker is this. Whose marker is this? Bivuze ngo iyi marikeri ni yande, kuko whose ivuga ngo ni cyane. Whose marker is this? Iyi marikeri ni yande. You can respond saying it's for teacher. Ni ya teacher. It's for teacher. Another example, urugero rwa kabiri. Whose house is this? Iyi nzu ni yande. I want to remind you, we don't say house. Ntabwo tuvuga ngo house, we say house. Most Rwandans make that mistake. Abanyarwanda benshi bakora iryo kosa ryo kuvuga ngo house, but house doesn't exist, we say house. Okay? So, who's this present for? Ndi kubaza ngo iyi mpano ni yande. Who's this present for? Iyi mpano ni yande. It's for Betty. Iyi mpano ni ya Betty. It's for Betty. Okay? Next example, I can say, whose shirt is this? Whose shirt is this? Iyi shati ni yande. This shirt is for Joram. This shirt is for Joram. Bivuze ngo ishati ni ya Joram. Okay? This is it. This is the example, and I'm going to keep asking you to keep making your own examples. All right, my friend? Let's see next part where we use the word for. Ahandi dukoresha for to ask or tell about a period of time or amount of something. Nanone twikoresha tuvuga a period of time, ingano y'ikintu, period of time, ingano y'ikintu, cyangwa se amount of something. It's the same, ingano y'ikintu. Urugero, how long have you lived in Kenya? How long have you lived in Kenya? Bivuze ngo wabaye muri Kenya igihe kingana iki? How long have you lived in Kenya? How long have you lived in Rwanda? One thing I want to tell you is that when you see me making one sentence, nujibona mpoze interuro imwe, ujye ugerageza kuyifata uyikuremo interuro nyinshi. Niba mvuze ngo how long have you lived in Kenya, nawe ushobora kugerageza gukoramo interuro zawe. That is a little practice. Uko niko kwitoza kwa nyako. Ukavuga ngo how long have you lived in Rwanda? How long have you lived in Gisenyi? How long have you lived in Kigali? How long have you lived in Butare? How long have you lived in USA? You see? That is it. That is how you can practice your own English. Uko niko wakitoza Icyongereza cyawe. Niba mpoze interuro imwe, try to make more than one sentence from the sentence that I've given you. Okay? Here. How long have you lived in Kenya? The answer is, igisubizo ni for 8 years. Imyaka 8. Aha, iyo ndi kuvuga, I make connection. That is why I'm saying for 8 years. 8 and this hour, I'm making connection and making one word, saying for 8 years. Sometimes you can know 4 and know 8, but then when I use for 8, you don't understand what I'm using. But I'm here to teach you that. Okay? For 8 years, bivuze ngo imyaka 8. You can say for 6 months, amezi 6. Another example. How long did you learn English? Wize Icyongereza igihe kingana iki? How long did you learn English? 3 years. Okay? Next one is to mean, to have, or to do something. Tunayikoresha turi kuvuga to have, kugira cyangwa se gukora ikintu. Okay? Urugero, she's getting ready for school. Ari kwitegura kujya ku ishuri. She's getting ready for school. Ari kwitegura kujya ku ishuri. Noneho iyi nteruro yemezaga. Nshobora kuyikoresha cyangwa se gukoresha iyi nteruro harimo for, meaning to do something, gukora ikintu. None ndi kubaza ikibazo. I can say, what are you getting ready for? Bivuze ngo uri kwitegurira iki? What are you getting ready for? Kubera ko abana bari kwitegura kujya ku ishuri, they can say, or one can say, mwashobora kuvuga ngo I'm getting ready for school. Ndi kwitegura kujya ku ishuri. I'm getting ready for walking. Ndi kwitegura gutembera. Walk ni gutembera, noneho go ni kugenda. They are different. Walk, gutembera, go, kugenda. Alright? And last one, ya nyuma, uburyo dukoresha for, I want to keep reminding you. To ask or say what something means or represent. Tubaza cyangwa se tuvuga ngo ikintu gihagarariye iki. To ask or say what something means or represent. Okay? Example, this symbol is for love. This symbol is for love. Iki kimenyetso, when I do this, you know what I mean. iki kimenyetso gisobanura urukundo. Ukuvuga ngo it represents love. This symbol represents love. Then I'm using for this symbol is for love. Bivuze ngo iki kimenyetso gihagarariye urukundo. Okay? And I can even ask saying, what's this for? Biravuze ngo iki gihagarariye iki? What's this for? Ariko binashobora no gusobanura ngo iki ni iki. What is the purpose of this? Iki ni cyo gukoresha iki? What's this for? Niho twatangiriye. What's this jack for? What's this for? Iki ni cyo gukoresha iki? What's this for? Example twavuze ngo what's this jack for? Ijage ni gukoresha iki? No, what's this for? Iki ni cyo gukoresha iki? But then it can even mean iki gihagarariye iki? What's this for? And then kubona ako kamenyetso wampaye niba ari ka apple karumyeho nakubwira ngo this symbol represents iPhone, cyangwa se mu yandi magambo ndi gukoresha for nkavuga ngo this symbol is for iPhone. Bivuze ngo ikimenyetso ni cya iPhone. Alright, this is Learn English Fast. Ni kuri Vuba Icyongereza. I want to remind you, if you want to learn English with us, you can contact us on 0780293112. Plus, the other thing, if you know someone who really want to know English, let us know that we are here for him or her. Umumenyeshe ko turi hano kubwe. Share the video, or else, cyangwa nanone, give him or her our number. This is Learn English Fast. See you next time. I love you guys.